Alright guys, welcome back to another Moomoo portfolio update video. In this video, we can see the total assets are at 23,984 and this is for the month of November. When we take a look at the money weighted return, we can see actually it's lower than last month. It's at 42.64%. You can see we have a significant drop today because of when we take a look at the portfolio, there's two growth companies which reported great numbers, but apparently the stock market has soured on these growth companies a bit. Elf Beauty stock is down like 20% and Celsius Holdings is also down quite significantly, like I think like 10% or something like that, right? So we can see we have a total profit of negative 3.5% of the whole portfolio for today. But when we compare it to the Nasdaq or any other indexes, we're still handily beating this portfolio, right? So we'll just call it some bouts of volatility around here. When we take a look at the calendar, you can see that November is off to a rough start, right? Down almost $1,000, right? I think this is our biggest down month ever, right? So a lot of stocks have reported earnings in the past 24 to 48 hours, and a lot of stocks have been dropping a lot, right? So if you have cash and you're deploying, you would view this as a buying opportunity, right? So let's talk about some of the things that we have bought recently, right? A stock that I just added to the portfolio is actually Meta Platforms, right? You can see I bought 2 shares of Meta Platforms at $634. This is after they reported earnings and their stock plunged like 12-13%, right? I also sold one share of Google to fund this Meta Platforms purchase because Google and Meta are actually quite similar business, and Meta Platforms is growing way faster than Google, and you can see my Google position is up 83%, right, from the point that I purchased it. So I decided to trim a bit and move a bit of the money into Meta Platform. So today is actually already the 6th of November and I've been quite busy, right? So I haven't been really making any videos, but I do want to make this Moomoo video, right? Because it only takes me like 5-10 minutes to make and also edit this video because I'm not talking very detailed or what, right? Just showing you some of the things that I'm doing this month, right? So also just wanted to show the other side of the portfolio, right? Sometimes your portfolio will be down like $1,000 a day, right? But if you're early in your wealth building journey, and also these are some stocks that you believe in, right? You can consider it a buying opportunity, right? You can see even though Celsius Holdings is down like 12% today, our profit on Celsius Holdings is still 95%, right? And if I take a look at the earnings report and they report good numbers, I might consider adding even more Celsius shares next month, right? So yeah, this is just a short update video for you guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, do help me smash up the like button, hit subscribe, and also hit the bell button. With that being said, have a fantastic day ahead and peace out.